Hey friends, homemade buttermilk biscuits. I know there's probably 1,000 recipes and videos online, but I think mine might be a little different and taste a little different. So, this is Billy Teegarden. Teegarden's in the kitchen. And we're changing a little bit. We're going from Monday and Friday, 5:30 a.m. And then our other channel, which is at Sweet Kentucky Tea, SWEETKYTEE, where we reminisce and talk about the 70s and 80s. We're going to go Tuesdays and Thursdays, 11 p.m. instead of 10 p.m. I've been trying to do 5 videos a week, and I'm a one-man band, and it's too much. I couldn't get my last one out on time Tuesday, and this past one didn't get out on time on Thursday. So I'm going to drop Wednesday and do Monday and Friday here, 5:30 a.m. The other channel, Tuesday and Thursday, 11 p.m. So